Yeah.
All right, check it out.
What are the results today?
Real quick, it's the first time I actually use this feature. The screw was too long, so I'm just gonna screw it right up where I see the line of the paint, and there should be just enough. Smash. And now I can use this right here. All right, that should be in. Now we're gonna turn on the power and let's see if it works. All right, literally we're just experimenting with electricity, which is totally dangerous. Do not try this at home. Here we go. Cut that shit.